Welcome back to Right Style TV. Today's video will be a honey pineapple bread. In this bowl we have 2 1/4 cups all-purpose flour. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1 cup of chopped nuts, roasted, the cup of pecans, 1 cup of wheat bran, gonna mix all these dry ingredients together. I'm gonna add 1 egg beaten. Mix them up. Two tablespoons cooking oil, vegetable oil, I'm gonna add 1 cup honey. Continue mixing. Next we're gonna add a cup of pineapple juice. I'll get back to you when I'm finished mixing and when I'm putting this mix in a baking pan, a loaf pan. See you later. Okay, I'm back. I've finished mixing the dough and I'll be placing it in a 9x5 loaf pan. The oven is preheated right now, 350 degrees, and that's what we'll be baking at, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the greased loaf pan. This bread will be baked for 1¼ hours, but I'll be checking after 1 hour. And it will be baked when you can put a tester or a knife in the middle and it comes out clean. This is it. I'll see you when I've removed the bread from the oven. Yes, my friends, welcome back. The honey pineapple bread has arrived. Here we go. It's beautiful honey pineapple bread. I'm going to take it out of the pan. How wonderful it looks. That's the bottom, the side, both ends, and this is the top. How wonderful it looks. This is one delicious bread. Look at it. Oh, lovely. I'm gonna slice it. Try to see how lovely it is. Look at this slice. Look how soft and tender. Look at this. Such a wonderful bread. This can be had with coffee, tea, or other beverages. Such lovely slices. Look at this. Nice and lovely. The honey pineapple bread. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. I've got a lot of other wonderful videos, recipes and culinary ideas. You can put in your comment what you want me to do next. Stay safe. Thank you for viewing.